गोय विधिमंडळान सचिवालयांत गोवा लेजिस्लेटर फोरमाच्या जोड पालवान विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर संसद सर्त घडोवन हाडली। हे सर्तीन धेंपे कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स अँड सायन्साच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी वांटो घेतलो। ही सर्त विधानसभेच्या PAC हॉलांत जाली। पळयात काय खीण। कॉलेजीच्या भुरग्यांक राजकारणाविशीं गिन्यान मेळचें तशेंच गोंय राज्यांत चलतल्या घडणुकांची म्हायती मेळची हो सर्ती फाटलो मुखेल हेत।
The question is that leave be granted to the Honourable Minister for Water Resources to introduce the Bill number 5 of 2024.
उत्कृष्टपणान कशी खेळची ती ऑपोजिशन मेंबराक शिकवपाची गरज ना, कारण ते स्वतः तेच करत आयिल्ले आशिल्ले कारणान तांकां ते खूब बरें जमता। म्हाका केन्नाय प्रश्न पडटा ऑपोजिशन मेंबर्स because of the chief minister care and a tiger reserve would have been ready by now. I appeal to you, madam.
And I was performing as leader of opposition in the mock parliament, and I think it was a great experience for all of us, even the ones who were like non-speaking members. I think they learned a lot. I guess we learned to learn the rules of the assembly, the procedure, and even the process of finding the questions. You have to understand what are the problems of the state and make questions accordingly. The government has to form answers accordingly. It's a huge process. We've been practicing for more than I think 3-4 months, and it's a hectic process, but I think when you perform, I think it all pays off.
So basically we want to speak about the assembly and this initiative taken by our assembly. Basically students parliament. Students parliament is where our students are getting this opportunity to participate and become ministers and all these things. So basically to follow the procedure of what actually legislation is. So basically they are getting this opportunity and they are getting this practical experience, because we often see all these things on television. So basically they are getting this experience of actually participating in this thing, and they are getting this experience to act as a minister. So it is a great opportunity for them. So that is what I want to say, and I would like to thank assembly for this thing. And yeah, I am giving it to my students to speak. Yeah.
Regarding this activity, firstly, I'm very grateful that I got a part in it, because we often talk about government, we often talk about functioning of the government, but do we really know how it really works? That is the question. It's only when we do it, it's definitely not real. But the reason why we ended up being part of this is because we were really interested in politics. So it was not just about competition, it was the dedication, the hard work that we really put in since previous 4 months. So it's actually a great opportunity. We got to know so much, and apart from the political perspective, I feel teamwork is something which needs to be appreciated, and for activities like this, it's the most important part. So we were coming together, we were coordinating, there were so many issues, there were of course challenges which were coming across initially, but then it was on us which topics to choose, which topics are the ones which are actually concerning Goa. So we had really good fruitful sessions overall, so we are really grateful for this opportunity.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिक्स, नितिक्षा गांवकार आणि सानिका नागवेकार।